documentation writing here. I get this. It seems that it does work though. This time. I think it would be nice. Maybe don't we need to hide this thing? Should we hide this thing? Isn't it very easy for them to detect? Oh, it does seem to work now. That's great. Have you seen this one, by the way? Okay, it does seem to work now. It was not working for a while and I got another message, a different one, which was a bit strange, but when I get it again, I'll show you. But just check this out, by the way, please. Because I think it's freaking awesome that it's writing Nepali, and I was wondering if this is actually good Nepali. So it seems to be done. Now I should get it. No. Let's see. Oh, it was not done yet. Holy fuck. Okay. It takes a while. Still writing. So sometimes the answers take like a minute or so to make, right? This is something we need to take into account. I think it's fine now because I improved the timeout. It was like 300 seconds, but for some reason it was timing out way earlier, so I changed that to 600. Anyway, it seems to be done, and now we get it here. This one you didn't improve yet. Can you please remove the copy codes? And yeah, please let me know if this makes any sense to you.